afternoon. My name is Naura. I'm a student. I study at MI Nurul Hidayah NW Tanah Abang Barat 2. Name. What is your name? Full name. What is your full name? Call name. What is your call name? Nickname. What is your nickname? First name. What is your first name? Middle name. What is your middle name? Last name. What is your last name? Address. Where are you from? Job. What is your job? Ambition. What is your ambition? Class. What class are you in? Age. How old are you? Indonesia. Do you like Indonesia? Indonesian food. Do you like Indonesian food? Lombok Island. Do you like Lombok Island?